Hey guys, what's up? It's Sherry. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can take these cheap synthetic eyelashes and turn them into these really nice wispy mink style lashes. So this hack has literally been going around the internet and I wanted to jump in and give this hack a shot. So to do this, you're going to need some synthetic eyelashes. And for me, I had a whole bunch laying around in my drawer that I never touched because they just look too fake for me to wear. So this is a perfect video for me to put them to use. To start off, I'm going to use this set of eyelashes here, which I purchased off of eBay. And to start this hack off, you're going to need a spoolie brush, and basically any spoolie brush will work just fine. If you don't have a spoolie brush, you can use an old mascara one that you no longer need, but just make sure to wash off the brush before doing this hack. Now to turn these lashes to a more wispier style, you want to take your spoolie brush and just basically brush the lashes back and forth as I'm doing here. Now I'm trying to focus on the tips of the eyelash to try to separate the strands to make it look more wispier. As I am brushing this, I'm also noticing that the shine of the synthetic lashes are disappearing, making it appear more natural. So I'm just going to keep on brushing it back and forth until I see more of a difference. Clearly, when you compare the two, you can see a total difference. You can see how the lashes are separated compared to the ones that I did not touch. This hack is totally blowing my mind. I'm just going to keep on brushing it a bit to give it more of a wispier style. Oh my god guys, I am totally shook. These lashes look so legit. Just look at the difference. Wow. So now I'm going to try them on these dollar store brand eyelashes. These ones I got from Dollarama for $3, and this is the Mariposa brand, and you get about 5 pairs for that price. Now let's put it to the test to see if these ones will actually turn into wispies. So basically, I'm just going to be doing the same method with these lashes over here, taking the spoolie brush and then just brushing it back and forth, focusing more on the tip of the lashes just so that it separates more and becomes more wispier, and also to help remove that synthetic shine. After brushing it for about 3 minutes, you can kind of see a difference with these two lashes. I feel that if I were to brush it out just a little bit longer, it would become a little bit more separated and a bit more wispier. I have to say though that this hack really does work. I feel it worked more on the lashes that I got from eBay compared to the dollar store brand. But with a little bit more brushing, I'm sure that those wisps will slowly appear. So here's what the lashes look like on. The one on my right eye is the one I brushed out, and the one on my left eye is the one I left alone. So you can see a slight bit of a difference here. So now I challenge you guys to test this hack out. Another reason to actually use those synthetic eyelashes that you have lying around. Before I go, I just want to mention that I'm going to start a weekly fan shoutout here on my channel. Basically, I want to do this to give back to my awesome subscribers out there. So all you have to do to get a shout out here on my channel is comment on my most recent video and tell me what country you are from and your Instagram handle. And every week I will randomly choose a fan to shout out, and I will shout them out at the end of my videos like this. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!